Hey everyone, I'm Sejal Chug, SD2 at Microsoft, and welcome to Scalar's YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to talk about the roadmap of C Sharp in 2024, the future scope, opportunities, and job roles associated by being a C Sharp developer in today's day and age. There already has been a lot of changes when it comes to tech. This generation of AI is going around creating videos of art. Copilot is helping us write code. Bard and ChatGPT are changing the world. In this video, we are going to discuss the future development opportunities of C Sharp, the kind of job roles that would help you, and in general, providing you with a roadmap to being a C Sharp developer in 2024. There already are a ton of videos out there on CPP, Java, and Python, but C Sharp is not as popular. When it comes to C Sharp, it is pretty similar to the functionalities of Java and resembles the simplicity in coding like Python. It has easy memory management techniques and supports native integration capabilities. In this video, I will take you on a journey of C Sharp and its capabilities. Microsoft started developing C Sharp in the late 1990s as part of its .NET initiative. They were aiming to create a language that combined the power of CPP and the simplicity of Visual Basic. It was officially announced and released in 2002 as part of the .NET Framework version 1. It quickly gained popularity amongst the developers due to its easy-to-understand syntax and robust features. Over the years, C Sharp has evolved through several versions, introducing new functionalities and enhancements with each release. It is known for its object-oriented programming support, automatic memory management through garbage collection, and extensive standard library support. It also enables modern programming paradigms like asynchronous programming and functional programming. C Sharp shines in diverse fields like web development, game development, and creation of mobile apps due to its ease of coding, flexibility, and rich ecosystem. It excels in performance too, thanks to its JIT or just-in-time compiler and multi-threading capabilities, which help in making apps fast and scalable. .NET 6, which was released in 2021, introduced significant improvements for C Sharp developers, including better performance, enhanced cloud support, and improved cross-platform capabilities. More developers are now leveraging frameworks like .NET to build microservice-based applications that are more scalable, resilient, and maintainable. In today's world, C Sharp developers are utilizing serverless platforms like Azure Functions and AWS Lambda to build event-driven, scalable applications without provisioning or managing servers. The demand for C Sharp developers in the software industry is steadily increasing due to several factors. This popularity stems from its powerful features, strong ecosystem, and suitability for a wide range of use cases. Companies are increasingly relying on C Sharp developers to build web applications. The demand for C Sharp developers is heating up, and there is a bunch of reasons why. A big reason for this is the widespread use of Microsoft technologies like .NET Framework, .NET Core, and Azure. These platforms offer fantastic tools and libraries that make it a breeze to build top-notch applications using C Sharp. Plus, with more and more businesses moving towards the cloud and tapping into services like Microsoft Azure, the need for C Sharp developers who know their way around these cloud-native development apps is skyrocketing. It is such an exciting time to be in this field. Another factor contributing to the growing demand for this is the global shortage of skilled C Sharp developers. This also leads to competitive salaries, abundant job opportunities, and favorable career prospects in this industry. And hey, who wouldn't want to jump on board when the career prospects are looking so damn bright? C Sharp is super versatile, and with the popularity of Microsoft Tech and the rise of cloud computing, the demand for C Sharp wizards is through the roof. As businesses go all in on this digital transformation, C Sharp developers are the MVP in making that happen. So if you're thinking about joining the C Sharp party, now is the perfect time. The demand is not going anywhere but up. Since we are in 2024, we should also talk about security and compliance. C Sharp is a real ace when it comes to security with its top notch memory management and slick exception handling. It's like having a built in security guard for your code. It swoops in to tackle risks like buffer overflows and memory leaks and keeps those pesky security breaches at bay. So you can rest easy knowing your applications are locked down tight with C Sharp. C Sharp developers tend to earn competitive salaries when compared with developers in other languages. Microsoft's got its hands all over it, using C Sharp to power everything from Windows to Azure to Office and even Visual Studio. And let's not forget the gaming world, where Unity and C Sharp are teaming up to create some really cool experiences. Stack Overflow is the go-to spot for developer Q&A, and it runs on some C# backend magic. Even big names like Siemens are getting in on the action using C# to craft software solutions for all sorts of industries. These are just few examples of companies that use C# for software development. Startups, big corporations, and even government agencies are getting in on all the fun. They use C# to build everything from apps to services which meets their needs. So if you are a C# whiz, you are sitting in a world full of opportunities. Now let's discuss some evolving trends in the world of C# development. .NET MAUI is a new framework introduced by Microsoft for building native cross-platform applications using C#. It allows developers to create apps that run on multiple platforms, including Windows, Mac OS, and Android. Blazor is another open source web framework for building interactive web applications using C# instead of JavaScript. Proving the reliability and durability of these C# frameworks, they are ready to give a tough competition to JavaScript and other open source frameworks. Now you all must be wondering on how to become a C# developer. For this, you should start by learning the basics of programming and computer science. So first things first, let's talk about C# basics. Think of it like learning a new language. You've got your syntax, like the grammar of C#. Then you have your data types, like different word types in a language. Finally, in the world of object-oriented programming, we build blocks and create some really cool stuff. The easiest way to get started on any language is to use an IDE. So for C#, we use Visual Studio. You should practice by writing simple C# programs and reinforce your understanding. You should learn more on .NET Framework and .NET Core, their features, capabilities, and get some hands-on experience with Visual Studio. Finally, you can build small projects and applications to apply what you've learned so far. You should also gain practical experience through internships, freelance projects, and contribute to open source projects. By following this roadmap, you can become a proficient C# developer ready to tackle any real-world projects and challenges. So now let me walk you through how a basic Hello World program would look like. Here, the using system line tells the compiler to include the system namespace, which contains the fundamental classes and types used in C# programming. Class program defines the class name program, which is the entry point for any C# program. Static main is the main method which serves the starting point of the program's execution. It is declared as static because it belongs to the class itself and doesn't require any instance of the class to be called. It returns void, indicating that it doesn't return any value. Console.writeLine hello world. This line uses the console.writeLine method to output hello world to the console. Console is a class in the system namespace that provides methods for interacting with the console, for instance, reading output and writing output. When you run this program, it will display Hello World on the console window. This simple example demonstrates how to write and execute a basic C# program. Now coming to the more interesting aspects which you all must be waiting for: job roles and their salary specifications. Some common job roles that involve C# development is software development in both full stack and backend, web development, mobile app and game development, DevOps engineers, or a cloud engineer to name a few. Let me give you an overview of an average salary of a C# developer so you can make an informed decision. In India, this can vary depending on various factors. However, here is a rough estimate based on the available data. For entry-level positions or junior C# developers, the average salary can range from 3 to 6 lakh per annum. For mid-level positions or experienced C# developers with 3 to 5 years of experience, the average salary ranges from 6 to 12 lakh per annum. For senior level positions or highly experienced C# developers with 5+ years of experience and specialized skills, the average salary can range from 12 to 20 or more per annum. These salary figures are approximate and can vary significantly based on individual factors such as roles, the company's size, locations, and additional benefits, the demand for C# developers in the job market. .NET development in 2024 continues to thrive, driven by a combination of innovation from Microsoft, contributions from the community, and increasing adoption of .NET across various industries and domains. Looking ahead to 2024, this adventure is just getting started, and it is full of potential. The roadmap for C# and its associated technologies is clearly focused on innovation, inclusivity, and breaking new grounds in software development. So here's to coding with C#, where possibilities are limitless as your imagination. Let's dive in and make coding fun and exciting.